guys, it's Audiology. Hey guys, it's Audiology, and today I need to get my hearing checked again because I lost my hearing aid, and I had to do this whole procedure again. So let's go.
Close the door. Excuse me.
Will it be dark?
No, just like this is silly.
Well, this is scary. I like it in the dark.
Well, we can put you in the dark if you wanted to. But
Yes, please.
this side.
No.
I know. Then you go to sleep if we put you in the dark.
No, that's not true.
I might.
Wait, what?
Okay. All
I
right.
can't.
No helping, Mom.
Okay, no helping.
What?
Let's see. There you go. There's the button.
No, don't press it yet.
Hey guys, it's Audiology, and I'm getting my hearing testing today. Yes. Got it. Pool. Shout. Sub. Dime. Goose. Tough. Sell. Take. Fall. Thank you. Hey, you guys, I did great.
You did.
I'm talking to my YouTubers over there.
Are you? Your
YouTube
YouTubers.
vloggers.
Oh my goodness.
These are my vloggers.
How many followers do you have?
I'm almost at 77, or all the way to 80.
And what do you like to blog about?
I like to vlog about myself.
You're well, yes.
Audiologist is someone that helped me with hearing. And this is Miss Tony.
Right. Look over here. If you feel some pressure, you just have to sit. You don't have to do anything, okay?
Okay. Yeah.
So his hearing is still the same.
It's the same, yeah. That's showing me how your eardrum is moving,
Oh,
and that's normal.
okay.
And we're going to do this side over here.
And nothing has changed with the right side. It's still
No, the
good.
right side is perfectly
Okay,
normal.
perfect.
Okay. Guess what? You are done, my man.
Alrighty.
All right.
Thank
so
you.
that's all good stuff. So
Hey guys, it's Turbo Sai, and I'm here with Miss Tony.
Hello, Miss Tony.
Good morning. How's everybody?
It's great here for everybody. I hope you guys are having a great day, because I'm having the most wonderful day ever. Just make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and comment down below who's your favorite doctor.
That's right. And
Or if you don't even have a favorite doctor, just say any type of someone that helps you in the community.
all right. And this guy, he's the man. All right. See ya.
So, I'm good on my right ear, but my left ear is still hard of hearing. And you know what? Speed out!